Hello and welcome to our tutorial on how to use ChatGPT. In this video, we'll be showing you how to use this powerful tool to generate ideas, content, or responses to questions. First, let's talk about what ChatGPT is and how it works. ChatGPT is a chatbot that uses a language model called GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, to generate responses to user inputs. It's a tool that can be used to generate ideas, content, or responses to questions. To use ChatGPT, simply input a prompt or question related to the topic you want to generate ideas or content for. ChatGPT will then generate a list of responses based on the information it has been trained on. It's important to note that ChatGPT is a tool, and its responses will not always be perfect or relevant. You will need to review the output carefully and make edits as needed to ensure that the content is accurate, clear, and compelling. Additionally, you should consider the specific needs and goals of your project or business when using ChatGPT and tailor your use of the tool accordingly. Now that you know the basics of how to use ChatGPT, let's go through an example of how you can use it to generate ideas for a blog post. Begin by inputting a prompt or question related to the topic you want to write about. For example, write a list of ideas for a blog post about the benefits of meditation. ChatGPT will generate a list of ideas based on the information it has been trained on. For example, some of the ideas it might generate might include 10 scientific studies that prove the benefits of meditation, 5 ways meditation can improve your productivity and focus, the top 3 benefits of meditation for stress reduction. Review the list of ideas generated by ChatGPT and select the ones that you think would make for a compelling blog post. Use the selected ideas as a starting point for your blog post. You can use ChatGPT to generate additional content for your post by inputting prompts or questions related to the ideas you've selected. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in showing you how to use ChatGPT to generate ideas and content. Remember, ChatGPT is a tool, and its responses will not always be perfect or relevant. It's important to review the output carefully and make edits as needed to ensure that the content is accurate, clear, and compelling. Additionally, it's always a good idea to do your own research and fact-checking to ensure that the information you use is accurate and up to date. Thanks for watching.